Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation x squared minus 9x plus 21 equal to 0. Our job is to calculate the value of 1 over x minus 4 whole to the power 288 plus 1 over 5 minus x whole to the power 288. So let's start. To simplify the solution, we suppose that this denominator x minus 4 equal to u. Let u is equal to x minus 4. Move this negative 4 to the left hand side. This implies that x is equal to u plus 4. And this denominator 5 minus x, 5 minus x will be equal to 5 minus u plus 4. Further simplify, this will be equal to 5 minus u minus 4, and this implies that 5 minus x equal to 1 minus u. Now in this original equation we replace this x and this x with this u plus 4. So this equation will become u plus 4 whole squared minus 9 times u plus 4 plus 21 equal to 0. Expand this u plus 4 whole squared. This will become u squared plus 8 times u plus 16. Negative 9 times u is negative 9u, and negative 9 times 4 negative 36 plus 21 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become u squared. 8u minus 9u will become negative u, and 16 plus 21 is 37. 37 minus 36 will become plus 1 equal to 0. Let's call this equation equation number 1. Now from this equation, if we move this u squared to the right hand side, this implies that 1 minus u equal to negative u squared, and we recall that our target expression we have to find is 1 over x minus 4 to the power 288 plus 1 over 5 minus x to the power 288, and recall that this denominator x minus 4 equal to u, and the second denominator 5 minus x equal to 1 minus u. We have to find the value of the expression 1 over x minus 4 whole to the power 288 plus 1 over 5 minus x whole to the power 288. We have to find the value of this expression, and we have supposed that x is equal to u plus 4 and 5 minus x equal to 1 minus u, and because 1 minus u equal to negative u squared, it means that this 5 minus x also equal to negative u squared. So we can rewrite this expression as 1 over u whole to the power 288 plus 1 divided by negative u squared whole to the power 288, and we have to find the value of this expression. 1 over u whole to the power 288 is same as 1 over u to the power 288 plus this 1 over negative u squared whole to the power 288 will become 1 divided by u to the power 2 times 288 is 576, and we have to find the value of this expression. Now we recall equation number 1. Equation 1 is u squared minus u plus 1 equal to 0. Equation 1 is u squared minus u plus 1 equal to 0. We multiply both sides of this equation by u plus 1. So by using this algebraic identity, a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared equal to a cubed plus b cubed. This left hand side will become u cubed plus 1 equal to 0 times u plus 1 will become 0. If we move this 1 to the right hand side, this implies that u cubed equal to negative 1. Now we write this target expression in terms of u cubed. We can rewrite this 1 over u to the power 288 as 1 divided by u cubed whole power 96, plus we can rewrite this 1 over u to the power 576 as 1 divided by u cubed whole power 192. Now we replace this u cubed and this u cubed with this value negative 1. So this will become 1 divided by negative 1 whole power 96, plus this will become 1 divided by negative 1 whole power 192, and this will be equal to 1 over negative 1 to the power 96 will become positive 1. So this will become 1 over 1, plus in the same way this one remains same, and negative 1 to the power 192 will become 1. Further simplify, this will become 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 2. It means that our target expression (1 over x minus 4 to the power 288 plus 1 over 5 minus x to the power 288) the target expression 1 over x minus 4 whole to the power 288 plus 1 over 5 minus x whole power 288 is equal to 2. This is the final answer of this problem.